In this video, we are going to practice while loop using Python. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, search for while loop using Python and hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the top result. Copy the code in a single click from here, go to your IDE and paste the code. Before proceeding, let's take a look at the code. This part of the code defines the condition that if user enters 0, the loop will break. This part of the code defines a condition that if age is less than 3, then print your ticket is free. This part of the code defines that if age is less than 12 but greater than 3, then print your ticket cost $15. This part of the code defines the else condition, that is, if the age does not fit into the above two conditions, then print your ticket cost $10. Now let's run the code and enter a value, and you have successfully practiced while loop in Python.